all distinguished delegates and participants. It's a glorious moment to extend my warm wishes on behalf of BCA and MCA Department, Faculty of IT and Computer Science, Paul University. I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to Kanaya Agrawal sir for accepting our invitation and addressing this webinar on entrepreneurship development with digital marketing. I would like to give some introduction of Sir. Sir is having more than 7 years of experience, currently working as a cybersecurity trainer and pre-sales engineer in Cybertronic Solutions Vadodara. Sir has a long list of achievements from which I am sharing some of the achievements. Sir has conducted professional seminars in Paul University, Bavaria Institute of Technology, SVIT Vassar, ITM Vocational University on career guidance, basics of networking and cybersecurity. He trained 150 plus professional engineers working with Matrix OMSEC. He is
In this
honored by
meter,
Baroda Management
you can
Association for
observe the
conducting
readings of
seminar on
voltage,
cybersecurity
power,
and its
and power
impact
factor.
in
So
professional
initially, the
world.
power
With this
factor, I think
again,
it is
we
visible
welcome you, sir, for
0.5.
sharing your
Power factor
valuable
is
knowledge with us.
0.5,
Please, sir,
and
Thank you,
after
over to
ma'am.
you.
it is a no load
Thank you,
condition
ma'am.
actually.
So
And
good afternoon,
step by
students.
step, I will increase the load, and
As
you
ma'am
can
has
see the power
already
factor will increase.
shared
So it
details
is
about
better
me,
to run
I'm
the
also working
motor
as live training
up
and
to its
development for Sigma
full
Group
load condition,
also.
near to its full load condition.
So today we'll be discussing about what is an entrepreneurship, how we have to start if you want to do a startup, how we'll be able to start a successful startup,
It is increased
and what is the
0.65.
role of digital marketing in uh, doing startup or doing any business which in
0.70,
current era.
79.
So we'll be focusing each and every prospects how to become a successful entrepreneur, and after this corona and pandemic how it's grown much extent than the previous one. So
0.87,
as discussed with what is an entrepreneur, so the meaning a person
0.84,
who takes
87.
risk and starts something new. Okay, so I think it's a general definition which you can find in the Google itself. But if we're talking about the entrepreneurship, no, it's if someone who is thinking means innovation. It's not like that you
0.5.
have an existing business and you're just flourishing it. It's not an entrepreneurship. If you
Okay.
have something
So,
a great, if you have something
so at this
innovative idea, or
demonstration,
if you
I
are
have to explain
creating
that
a jobs
motor
for
must be
others,
run near to the
okay, with
full
some
load
innovations,
condition.
it's an entrepreneurship.
So,
I've seen
the
that, even
resultant
you
power
have seen
factor
that
which will
in
reflect
this
in your
pandemic,
bill,
in Corona itself,
that
many people
will
come
more
with the
than
new ideas.
0.9.
Okay,
Now,
like
another
everyone like
utility is there.
shifted to the online. Previously, was
Industrially,
just
the
working as an
pressure
offline business
of
and all that.
air
So it's
6.5 to
like that
0.8
now.
kg
It's
per
a chance.
centimeter
Even
square.
Gujarat
Whenever it is
government, central
required,
government
input
helping us,
pressure, one
even
can
helping the
measure the
innovators
pictures
or
here.
startup or
Basically,
focusing
three
on
types of
startup
air
India.
compressors are
They are
there. One
even
is the
providing
centrifugal
grants.
air compressor. Second
Everything
is
they
the
are doing
reciprocating air
which is
compressor.
possible
Third
way
one is
to
the screw
increase the
compressor.
startups in India.
Screw
Okay,
compressor is the
so
highest
I
efficient
think I'm
compressor
changing the
globally.
slides and you
And
are
here
able
you
to
can
see
see the
that.
number of
Okay,
parallel compressors are
so
running.
why an
Parallel
entrepreneurship?
compressor
Okay, why
and
entrepreneurship?
preferred
Next slide says what is
more.
why entrepreneurship
So
means
instead of
the thing
using a
that
single
you are
centrifugal or
becoming your own
reciprocating air
boss.
compressor, you
You don't
can
have to depend
use
upon anybody else. You don't have
screw
to listen
compressor with a
anybody's
small
instruction.
ratings, two or
You don't
three
have to work for 9 to
parallel
5 job.
compressors you
You
can
are
use. Instead
financially
of using
independent.
100
You
cm
can make your own
air
schedule.
compressor with
So
reciprocating, you
everybody
can
wants
use
to
55 cm,
like their
25 cm,
want
four
to
air compressors
work by their
with
own means,
screw
by their
type
own
design.
ideas.
So it gives you the
So
better
if you
efficiency
want
and
to do
low
a job, if you want to
emissions.
do a business like this, you're not watching,
This
you're not
is the
seeing
formula
the
for
watch every time. Means if I'm going
theory
to a
of the
job,
test. I
I
have
always
discussed
see
two
my
tests. One is the
entry time, and then
pre-delivery
I
test,
always
and
watch
second is the
to the watch that when I have to leave the job,
ticket.
when I can go home.
Pre-delivery
But if
test,
you're
what
doing
we
your
have to
business,
do? This is the
I
equation. It is a
expect that
final
anything,
pressure
if
minus initial
you are
pressure
doing
divided
business, so you can
maximum
work more than
pressure
when you're working on job because
by
it's your
volume of
own.
the
It's
receiver
depend
multiplied by
upon
the
your
actual
working is
volume.
depend upon your profit and loss.
What you have to do in
So
this case
we'll be discussing here how to
is
become an entrepreneur, what are
so
the
here
challenges,
power supply
and what
is
Gujarat
increasing.
government and state governments
So
have,
it is a
and central
delay
government
time
are
of
helping
the
to do
air
so.
which is going to the
So we'll be very talking about startup. So any
to
entrepreneurship
the
and
plant.
entrepreneur can register
So
in the Startup India. Okay, it's an initiative by
this
Indian government.
unit
Okay, and what is the eligibility for Startup India? Means if you are
madam PPT is
doing
visible.
an entrepreneur, if you want to become an entrepreneur, if you are registering in Startup India, there are much benefits you can get.
Okay, and
The benefits, if I'm
I'm
saying
marking
that tax
everything is
exemption for
visible.
3 consecutive years means you don't have to pay a tax if you're
Okay.
registering in Startup India. Okay, fast track and up to
So
80% rebate in
after
fees for
isolating
patent
these total
registration means if you are
unit,
registering, if you have
and
an
you have
innovative
to
product
remove
and
all
you
the
are
errors from the
registering, you
receiver.
don't
So keep
have to
its
means
pressure on
the
0
fees
kg per
reduction by
second meter
80%.
square.
Okay,
Actually,
even the
physically it will
trademark
not, you
registration
cannot
is
maintain
less
0
by
kg per second meter
50%.
square
Okay,
because
you don't have to
vacuum will be there,
go any
and at the
inspection,
lower side,
labor
small
inspection, we
amount
can
of water
say,
will be
for
there.
3 years.
So you can maintain up
So
to
this,
0.1
even the
to
mental
0.5
facilities they
kg
are
per second meter
providing.
square. So
So
suppose
the what is
0.1
the
kg
main
per, so
things they
initial
are
pressure,
providing is that you
your
don't have
P1
to
is
bother about
0.1 kg per
everything.
second meter
Even
square.
if you have a
Then
good
after
idea,
start
government of India is also providing you
that
the grant of up to 20
start this
lakh
push
rupees,
button, and
which
your
you don't have
compressor
to
will
pay.
initially run
Whether
on
you got
daytime.
a profit or a loss in the business, but you
Start
don't have
within
to
a day
pay, or
after
you don't
you
have to
set into
return
the
back
delta.
if you
Date-wise
have
you
an
can check.
innovative, you will
So
getting
when
up
it will
to
start
20
into
lakh
the
rupees.
delta position, then
So
on
the
your timer,
eligibility
which
for
will measure
startup
the
India
time in minute.
is like
Okay.
that. Company
So
should be
step by
registered as
step,
LLP or
usually
private
the
limited.
pressure
If
will
you are doing any
increase.
business, you have to register first. Okay, it should not be have incorporated for more than 10 years. Okay, it's like not like that you have just
Sir, your
you
voice is
have
not audible.
existing business
Just
and
a
just
minute,
to
sir.
take the startup
I just
benefit you are
finished.
registering on Startup
Okay.
India.
Now is it
Okay,
visible,
annual
sir?
turnover should not be 100 crore. Why it's
Yes, sir, visible.
for Startup India?
Okay.
Because government
So
is giving
uh,
priority to the ones who
gradually the
are
pressure
new
of
to
the
the
receiver
business.
will
Then
increase. Okay.
only
Let
the
us say
growth
the
or the
receiver
economy of the country will
capacity
increase.
is 7.5
So there
kg
are
per
many things
meter
that
square.
government will be
Okay,
helping.
so you can
Okay,
go up to
but
7.5
today
kg per
our
centimeter
discussion
square.
in
When it
how
will
to
reach to
become an
7.5
entrepreneur with
kg per centimeter
successful
square, the pressure
startups.
gauge at here it will
So
indicate.
likewise,
So
I
on
have
the
shared here
display of
Gujarat
your
startup
compressor
policy
will
that
be get
government of
reading.
Gujarat
So
helping up
your
to
final
10 lakh
pressure will
rupees
be
for product
7.5
manufacturing.
kg per
Sorry,
centimeter square.
okay.
And
Then
note down the
10 lakh
time
rupees
from
for marketing and
0.1 to 7.5
publicity,
kg per
and they are
centimeter square.
also
You
paying up
will
to
find
10 to
approximate
12,000 rupees
1.5
per
minutes
month
or maximum 2
up to
minutes
1 year when you
according to
are
the
growing your
capacity
business,
of the
and you
compressor.
don't have to return or you
Now,
don't have to return any of the
uh,
any single
during
penny to the
this
government. So this
pressure
way,
from
Gujarat government
0.1
and
to
Indian governments are
7.5, you are running
helping.
your
So these
motor.
are the
So
just
at here, connect the
facts
power
which I have
analyzer.
discussed. But
So
now we'll
this
be
power
going to
analyzer
our
will give,
main
and
slide.
opposite, this
Okay.
power analyzer
So
will give
if
you
you
the
want to
kilowatt
be
hour
an
consumption
entrepreneur,
for
if
this
you want to open
1.5
your
unit
business,
or
there
2
are
unit.
three
So you will get
main
the time and you will
factors
get the
where you
power.
will get
So
a
unit
success if
consumption
you are working on that.
you can
Okay,
calculate
these
kilowatt
are
hour.
the three important
Now,
factors. If you are working, if you want to
do
open
this
your
test
business, if
3
you
to
want to
4
do an
times
startup,
and
you have to work
keep
on these three
all these
factors.
readings into
The
this
first is
formula.
fulfill the need,
Your final pressure
another
is
one create a
7.5,
need, and
initial
third one
pressure is
resolve the problem.
0.1.
Means
Your atmospheric
suppose
pressure
I
is
have to open
pressure
my
rate is
business,
taken as a
so I have to work on
1.035,
any of these
and
three
multiply by
factors,
volume of
then
the
only I
receiver.
can
It is
get a
let us
huge
say
success. If
volume
talking
of the
about
receiver, let
fulfill
us
the need
say
means,
it is 1 liter
if
or
you're
2
talking
liter
that
or 3 liter.
what a person, what a people
How much
need
air is
for their life,
certain
basic
quantities they
necessity
will
of a
decide.
life,
Let
like
us say
food,
1
clothing, and
liter. 1
shelter.
liter means 1 meter
Okay,
cube.
if
You
I
have to
am
place
in
it
any
here,
of this
1 meter
business
cube.
which
And time in
fulfills
minute, let
the
us say it
food,
is a
clothing, and
1.5
shelter
minute.
need of a
So
people,
by this formula, you can
then
calculate the
definitely there will not be any
CFM
loss.
or
Okay, no
capacity
doubt.
Q of the air
I know
compressor. It is
if you're not working properly,
kg per
maybe you will
minute.
not be
Okay,
getting a
and
huge
convert
profit,
it into
but still
CFM.
your
35.36,
business is
whatever
always
the
a
variable
success.
is there, you
I can give an
CFM
example in this
you can
pandemic, in this
calculate.
Corona 1 year.
So
If
by
you have
this
seen
you
that
can
in
find
the
out the
whole
capacity
year
of the
when there was
compressor.
a
Do this
lockdown,
test
people were not buying
2 to
AC,
3
people were
times,
not buying
maximum
bike
3
or four
times.
wheelers. They
Then
were
take the average
all
of
in a
this reading.
need of
So
food.
you will find out the
They
actual
were all in
capacity
a
of the
need of
compressor.
vegetables, milk,
Other
food,
test is the leakage
everything.
test. So its
In
formula is the
medicines,
actual
the
capacity
business
of the
associated with
compressor
this
into on time
has grown
divided by
much.
on time plus off
So
time.
it's like
See,
that.
when your compressor will run
In
and
this basic
for doing the
necessity
leakage
will
test,
never go
open this
down. This
valve
business
and
is an evergreen
allow the
business.
air to
So if you are
deliver
doing
into the
business in any
pipelines
of the
and
field which is
into the
associated
plant.
with
But
food, clothing, and shelter, you will
suppose your
never get a
boundary
loss.
unit 1
No
is at
doubt, if you
here,
are not
boundary
working
unit 2 is
properly,
at here, and
you can
lines are
get a
coming to here.
low profit
Okay,
or a less
so the
profit, but
valves,
you
end
can
user
never go to
valves
loss.
must be
Okay.
closed.
Another one I am
Each and
talking
every
about
end
is
user valves
creating a
must be
need.
closed. You will
How to
find
create a need.
around
Means
80 to
suppose,
100,
look,
100
in
valves inside the
previous
pipes.
years,
So
in
each
like
and every
when
valve
saying
must be
about our
closed,
fathers
okay,
or our
and
forefathers
allow the
were
air
working,
to
at that time
flow
there
to
were
the
no
pipelines.
ACs, there were
So
no
when the air will flow,
fridge,
then
there were
what
no
happens?
washing
Your
machines. Just they were
if
living.
leakages
Even in
in
pandemic, we
between
have
this
seen
length is
that we
there,
have not eaten
so your
fast foods. We
compressor
have not
will
gone for
initially when it will reach to
other places
7.5,
to
then it
move
will
around.
unload.
Still, we
And if
live
leakages will
a
be
very good
there,
life,
air will
I
leak.
can say.
So
So
after
these
some
are the
time,
things which is
let us
not
say,
necessity of a life,
suppose your on
but
time is
they
1.5
easiness,
and
they make easiness of your life.
upload
They
time is,
can make
let
that
us say it is
they
60 minutes, sorry, 1
give
minute.
you a
1
relaxations.
minute is
For
more.
example, if I can live with
So
fan also,
again
but
your
if I'm
pressure will
using
drop
AC,
and it
then
will
it will
drop
give
to
me
your
relaxation. It will
setting
give
point.
me
Suppose
cool
you have
air.
set
I can
6.5
live without
to
a cold water, but if
7.5.
fridge is
So
there, you
between
can
this
store
range,
your
this
food. You
compression must
can
run.
have cold water.
Okay, so when it
So
will
these
reach to
are not a
6.5, it is again
necessity,
load. Okay, so
but
load time and
making
unload
life
time,
easy,
that you have to measure,
making
and you
life
can put
relaxation,
into
making
this
life
equation, and you can find
comfortable.
out the
So
leakage
people
CFM.
who are
Also, you can
associated
calculate
with
the
this
amount.
business,
Amount
they are
here,
also
amount
flourishing. Okay. So if
on
you
daily
are
basis, everything.
working with
So
such kind of
approximate
factor that you are just creating a
20
need
to 50
that
percentage
people should
leakages you
buy
will
for
find in the
their
industry.
comfortness.
Compressor will
Okay.
run up
Like
to
four
5
wheeler,
years, and
yeah, we
then
can say
maintenance
there
will
are
be
many
there.
companies four wheeler, but Mercedes give
Normally
more
leakages you
comfort,
will
so
find
people are
at the
more diabetic.
flanges, at the joints,
Rich people
valves,
divert to
pipes.
them. These
These are the
kinds of relaxation things. So the things
popular
which give
locations
you
where you
more
find out the
comfort, you are creating a
leakages.
need that or that
In
business
lines,
will also
butterfly
going to
valves
be
are
flourished.
used, but
And the
in case of
third
a
one, which is
butterfly
the
valve,
most important one, it is the part which is the part of this
leakages
current
are there.
era. Okay, now
That
resolving the
don't
problem.
properly
If
close
you
the
are searching, if
gap
you are researching on the
after some years.
problems
Initially, they are
faced by
working
day-to-day
properly. Butterfly valves are very
life in
popular.
day-to-day
They are
life or faced
working
by
properly, but after some
or
time,
any
they are
particular
not giving good
community,
performance.
and if you are bringing the resolution for
So
that
these two are the
problem,
tests by
definitely
which you
the
can
business will be a great
save the
success.
energy.
You can
You can
see
find
the
out that.
current entrepreneurs who
Here I
are the
have
startup who are doing
placed one
startups in this
video for identification of
means
the
in
leakage,
last five
because
to 10 years who has done
when
the
industry
startups,
is
no, they
running,
just
then
came
during the
with
running, lot
some
of voice is there,
problem
lot of noise is
resolution
there.
only. For
So in this
example, I
voice you
have like
cannot
Swiggy and Zomato.
able to
Why I have taken this
listen the
example?
leakage
Because
noise
now you can see
there.
that
So for that,
in current
ultrasonic
era,
guns
many
are
husband and
available.
wives,
So
like
by these
in many
ultrasonic
families,
guns you
husband and
can
wives
find
works.
out the leakage.
Okay,
So
they
let's see
works
this
and their
video,
children are
how it
studying.
is
So they
working.
works like both husband and wives are doing jobs, okay, or doing businesses. So maybe when they're coming in evening and they don't have a time to cook food, okay, and even they are tired, so what to do now? So if they go to the nearby restaurants and they don't know what is the price of the food, what is the taste of the food, what is the ratings of the food, whether it is near to my house or father. So Swiggy and Zomato has just created an app, okay, where you can
So
select
by
your
this gun, you
restaurant,
can
where you can get the discount
detect the
also, where you
lines.
can get
Normally,
delivery at your home
airlines in
also. So
India,
this has just
uh,
saved the time, and time is
they are
money.
quoted by
So
blue
if
color.
I am wasting my time to go somewhere to eat the food, even I don't know the taste, instead of that, if I book from
So
this
these are the
apps, I'm getting
leakages,
discount also
tappings,
at my doorsteps also.
locations. So
So
normally in these,
it's like they
you will
have
find
resolved
out
the
the
problem of this
leakage, and lot of
cooking or eating
locations
the
of
food and just
this
saving
type
the
of
time for the
tappings
working
are there
peoples,
in
and thus
industry.
it's flourished.
Here I have placed some
Say for example,
pictures.
Ola and Uber
You can see
also.
the lines are
Previously,
underground.
what happened if I am to shift any of
The lines are
the state,
underground.
or
These
if
are
I
the
am to go
process
for
air,
some reason to
instrumentation air
try, I have
leakages.
to travel in some of the
So
state. I don't know what is the
these
price of taxi. I
lines
don't
must
know
be
price
overhead
of
in
that
case of air compressors.
rent of taxi
Here
or
you can see the
the
picture of this
that
valve,
rickshaw.
butterfly
I don't
valve.
know the route of
So
that particular
these
city,
lines
and I
must be
don't know
overhead
whether
lines,
the
and
taxi driver or that
it
auto
must
driver
not be
going
underground.
to
Otherwise, it is very difficult to
means
find out
cheat
the
me or
leakage,
not, because
leakage
I don't know him.
if
It's a
it is
new city for
underground
me. It's a new
lines,
person for me.
because
It's a
the
new
designs are
language for
very
me.
complicated.
But Ola and Uber just created an app, okay,
I have
provide you
summarized
all the
some
details
points
about the
for the air
driver, provided you
compressor,
all the details about the route, about your
how
rent, and
to
thus
means
it's
which points
resolved
you
the
have to
problem.
take
Now,
care
if I am to go
during the
any of
energy
the
audit.
city,
So
I
the
can go
first point
without
is
any fear.
install
I
a
can pay
control
the money
system
which is
to
shown in my
coordinate
app. So the
multiple air
cheating,
compressors,
the doing frauds,
and
all
run
just
in
erased because
master
of
slave
this
mode.
solution.
Normally, what is
So
master slave mode?
business, if you are
Suppose
providing any resolution,
you have
any
a
solution to the
6 air
existing problems,
compressors in
definitely your
this line
business
and
will
6 air
going to a
compressors in
great
this
success.
line. Okay,
So friends, these are the three factors
one,
which will
two,
make
three,
you
four,
success if you're
5, and
doing business in
6.
this. And the
Six
third one, which
compressors
I
are
said
running
that
and six
resolve the
compressors
problem, is the
running.
most
Okay, so total
important
12
factor
compressors are
if you want
there,
to do your
and
business.
its header will be
So
common.
I have one
They are generated
example
from each and every
of this
compressors. With
business
it will come to
also.
this common header,
Okay,
and from this
how
common
people
header the
are
lines are
now
distributed.
means more
The arrangement
smarter,
should be like
or
this, and the
means business
location of this
persons are more
compressor house,
smarter
it
than
must
us.
be
Why?
centralized.
For example,
Suppose it is your
supermarket.
industrial
Whenever you
plant,
enter the supermarket,
and
and when
it
you
must be
exit from the
centralized, so you
supermarket,
can
from entry to
distribute air
exit, all
properly in
is
each
the
and
marketing
every
strategies.
corners.
Means
So
when I'm entering the
it comes
supermarket,
to this
they always
it
ask you to
comes to
take a
this part of
trolley or
here.
a bucket.
Now,
Means if
what you have
I am to
to
purchase only a single or two things, if
do
I'm going with a empty or
out
bare
of this
hands,
12
it
compressor,
will
you have
seem
to,
awkward
through
if
this
somebody is
pop-up
carrying
test, you
much
have to find out the efficient compressor, which
material than me. It's
compressor
not
is
an awkward, but
efficient.
people feeling like that.
So you have
So
to
if I'm
give the
taking a
priority
trolley,
1 to 12
okay, if
for
I'm with my
efficient to
child, okay, who
inefficient.
is
And then after, you
means
can use the variable frequency drives.
kid, I'm
So
going with
variable,
him, okay, at the
first,
very stage.
all
If
the
I have to
efficient
purchase something
compressors
else,
will
suppose I have
run,
to
and
purchase
then
cereals,
after,
so
if air
they will not get
requirement on
cereal
this
at the
form
starting point. They
is
will
there,
get at
then
the end
inefficient
point of the
compressor will run. This
supermarket.
type of modulation, this type
So
of automation you
first of
can
all, they will put
do.
all
So it is a
the
parallel
scheme
operation
things,
of
get one out of one
uh,
free, get this
compressor, and it is
50%
a master
discount.
slave
So
unit.
if
So
you
all
are
the
don't
efficient compressors
even
will be the
don't
master,
intend that,
and
if you don't
inefficient
want to
compressors
purchase
will be
the
the
things or not, then
slave.
also you just
So
think, oh,
if
it's
air
getting
requirement will
50%
be
discount.
there in
Let me
plant,
take.
then and then the other
Even
units will run.
they put
And thereafter,
chocolates,
replace the
biscuits
oil
at the
pipe
lower
lines
racks so
with
that a kid
low
can take
friction
that,
weight
okay, and
aluminum
put in the
pipes.
bucket. If
Aluminum
you are
pipes.
going with a kid, he'll just ask you to buy that chocolate or has
Also, it will reduce the
taken
friction
that chocolate.
of air inside
Being a
the
parent, never
lines.
you cannot means take with him and just keep on
Then
the rock, because
I will discuss some
it's a
important
strategy
points
that
only. I will not
children,
discuss all the
if
points.
ask
All the
something, they
points
are
are
if
very
asking
important.
something, you cannot saying no to them.
Here the point is important.
Okay, so
Reduction of
many
the 1
times
kg
like
of
happens that
subapparatus
it's
pair of the
for
air
luring
pressure. That
you,
means
the customers.
if 8
Even you
kg to
will
7
see
kg
the
if we
AC
reduce,
was
it
very
will give you
cooling,
the
giving
9
very
to
cool.
10% of
Even
the
the
power saving.
atmosphere is very cool. Even you can see in
Uh,
any of the supermarkets, there will
then
not, you cannot
after,
see any
always install
window,
the
so
variable
that you will not be able
frequency
to
drive
experience the nature, whether it is you
in
have
the
take
compressor.
means
Also,
much time has
in air
extended, or you
compressor,
cannot
the
see the
air
weather.
temperature is very important,
Even you
because
cannot find any
in
clock
air
also,
compressor,
because
one
they
suction
want
side
you
is
can
there, and
spend
suction
more
side
and more
the
time in
filter is
that
provided. So
supermarket, so
at
that
this
you can
filter, the air which is
so
coming,
that
it is
you can
from the
purchase more and more things. And
surroundings.
sometimes
And
it
if the
happen that
temperature is high,
you
summer
purchase
during,
extra things,
normally
but
the temperature
the
is
things
very
which you
high,
needed
40 45
were
degrees
not there in the
centigrade. So you are
supermarket.
taking hot air.
So means it's like
Okay, so it
that
is
I
better
gone for
to
taking
use
something
the
and took something else.
air with a
So
low
it's the
temperature.
whole thing is a strategic based. Okay,
If you use the low
you will
temperature
not
air,
the things
then
which
what
you
happens?
need,
The filter
okay, will
circuits
be
inside
always
the
be
air
kept,
compressor
which is the
will,
basic
they are
needs always
consuming
be
less
kept at
power,
the end of the
coolant
supermarket.
consumed it is less,
Even when
and
you go
also
to checkout counter, when you
the
leave
power
the
consumption will be less. So
supermarket,
temperature
at
is
that
very
time
important.
also
Always use
they
the
keep something in the nearby racks at the
not
checkout
a
point
chilled
also.
air, but
कि भाई
with
जाते
a
जाते भी
with
even means
around 25
leaving
degree,
the
20,
supermarket
25 is
also you
also
can take
very
something.
cold air.
So this is all the
27,
strategy.
30, 35 degree
How
up to you can
from the
go.
entry to the exit they make the
Then
strategy
use a small
to
compressor when
just want
major
them
production
want the
of the load
customers
is there.
to take
Use a
something
separate
more from
receiver
their
also, because in
supermarket.
industry,
So it's just
what
an
they are doing,
example.
suppose
Okay,
in this
will
12
not be doing
compressors,
discuss much more
they are
about that.
placing only
Even
single
there are
engine.
many business models.
Okay,
I think
there are two
will
types
not
of
be
air requirements are there in the
discuss much
industry. One
about
is
that.
the
But I will be discussing
process
how
air,
to
which
create a monopoly
6.5
in
to
business.
14 kg, and
If you
second
are
is the
opening a
3.5
business,
kg
if you
per
are planning
centigrade.
to
The
open a business,
instrumentation air.
how
Okay,
to
so for
create a
instrumentation
monopoly.
air, they
So we'll be
are
learning, we'll be
what they are
discussing with some
doing,
examples, of famous
reducing the
examples.
6.5 kg per
So
centimeter square
always
pressure to
be a
3.5 kg with the
original,
help of pressure
never
reduction
be
valve.
a copy
So
of
if you
someone else.
provide this pressure
You
reduction valve, you
should
are using
create
the
your own
energy,
original name. You should create
energy
an
which is consumed to
original
generate the
brand.
6.5 kg,
So
and
I
you
have
are
seen. It's an
converting
example I have given to
6.5 to
you. I have
3.5.
seen the some
It is
the
better to
sales
use a smaller
Mahakali sales.
compressor for
Okay,
this
I don't know who is the
instrumentation air,
original one, because
or
wherever I
provide a
go for
separate
sales,
receiver
everywhere Mahakali,
which
Mahakali,
store
Mahakali,
the air, and
because it's
which
a copy right now.
gives the
So even
pressure of the air to
if we
3.5
take
kg per
talk
centimeter
about
square.
any of
So
the
they do
famous
this type of
place or famous
arrangement.
shop of the
Also use the proper
city,
size of
okay, if you're
the
not branding that,
receiver.
if you're
So
not
a lot of
registering
points
your
are there that
trademark,
you have
no,
to
every people copy
keep
that.
in your mind.
And if you also copy
Then
someone else's name,
another
definitely you
utility
are
is the
not
chiller.
creating yourself unique. You are the
So
copier,
it is a single
and
line
your
diagram of the
business
chiller. Normally
only
chillers
will
are
be
used to
flourish if you are
generate the chilled
original.
water
Just
and chilled
give
air.
an original name,
Chilled air,
don't
it is
copy.
used for
So
space
creating
cooling,
a
and
monopoly
chilled
in
water, it is
business,
used in
you
the
should your
process
own
cooling
brand,
and
registered brand.
cleaning purpose. So for
So the first things to create a monopoly is business is
production
to
of the
create an
chilled air
entry
and water,
barrier.
what they are doing,
Okay, entry
it is a
barrier means
chiller unit
if
where
suppose
condenser
I am
evaporator
differentiating.
two
My
tubes
product
are
is
there, two
unique.
coils are
My
there,
product is
and
unique.
the
I have a good
condenser
reviews.
pressure, it is
Then
generated through the compressor
people
water,
will purchase
and
the
this
products at
circuit, it
any
is a
cost, whether
circuit
you are
of a
not giving any
T1.
credit, whether
So
you are
here
not
the
giving any
compressor and
discount.
expansion
But they will
process is
purchase
there.
like
According to this,
iPhone.
it will
iPhone never gives any discount.
release, and it will
Still people purchase
release the
because it
heat,
has
and
a
it will
unique brand. It has
cool down, and it
created
is
the entry
converted into
barrier.
hot
Nobody is
gas and liquid.
making
So
products such like
and
that.
condenser chill
So we
coolant
have one
is will
more
enter.
entry
Okay.
barrier
Now
example
how
is
this
like
circuit
Geo.
works?
I'll be
It is for
discussing with you
coolant.
about Geo
Now,
in the future slides,
here
but
it is
I'm
a cooling
currently
tower.
entry barrier what Geo
You
has
can see it
created
is a
compared to Airtel,
cooling
Vodafone, and
tower,
Idea. So very
and
first thing,
these are
intellectual
the
property
air handling
protection.
units.
Why?
Okay.
Top secret recipes
So
like
water
KFC
coming
says
from the
11 secret
storage,
herbs and species.
it will come through these
So your
pumps.
intellectual property protection means suppose
Uh,
if you are
Now,
residing in
this
any town,
pump
you
it
see
is
that
connected between
any
cooling
famous
tower and
shop,
condenser of the
okay,
chiller.
has something
This pump it
special
is
in his
connected
taste,
between
but he
evaporator
will not
and
share with you about
air
that
handling
taste or with
unit.
anybody.
Okay.
Like in a
So
Vadodara, we have
through the
seen
air
Jodi
handling
Ram's Peda
unit, we have
or
to generate
anything
the
we
chilled
can say,
air,
they have some secret
and
in their recipes.
through
They
this
will not share with
evaporator,
anybody.
we have to generate the
That's why they are
chilled
unique.
water.
No, if they
Okay.
share
So
their
at here
secrets,
you will
okay,
get the
so
chilled
it
water
won't be
temperature,
like
and at
it will
here
be
you will
common,
get the hot water
and nobody will
temperature. Now
go
what
with that
happens? The
particular
chilled water generated
shop
from the
then.
evaporator, it will
So
through this
always
pump, it will enter
protect
into the
your
air
intellectual
handling unit,
property,
or suppose in
your
process if there is a
specific things, or
requirement, so
why
tappets
you
are
are famous
provided.
for.
Okay. Chilled
For
water
another
approximate
example
6
is for
degree centigrade,
Coca-Cola.
5
More than
degree
100
centigrade. This
years,
type of
but still
temperatures are used.
nobody knows the
So
formula
6
of
degree temperature,
Coca-Cola.
it will enter into
So
the
this
air
is
handling
why
unit. So
if
in
you
air
want
handling
to
unit,
create a
one
monopoly,
cover
you
is
should
there which
have
will
always protect your
at this
intellectual
side, which will
property.
suck the air,
Another one is
atmospheric
patent
air.
and licensing.
So the temperature of this air
If
should be
you are
minimum
manufacturing
as
something
possible,
unique,
27, 30
patent
degrees.
it,
So
license
at
it,
outside you will
give
get the
them
better
brand,
result of
give
chilled
them
air, 18
trademark,
degree,
give them
17 degree
good
centigrade.
logo, website,
Then
anything,
after what
which will be
happens,
unique.
the filters are provided.
Now
So
I have
this
seen that
air,
you have seen that,
one
for example,
input
many
is of
medicines are
air,
coming.
hot air, which is a
Okay,
hot air.
and
At here it is
if you
converted
purchase
into
it, it
chilled
will be
air.
costing like
And
50
another
rupees,
input is the
60
chilled
rupees if
water.
particular. But if you
In
go
the
for
coil it will
generic
pass, and
medicine,
here
means
it becomes
compound
hot
will
air.
be
Suppose
same,
6 degrees, so
only name is
it
not there,
becomes
only brand
around
is not there.
15
Then the
degree,
medicine
14 degree
price will
centigrade.
goes very
Okay.
less.
So here,
So
if your
what people is doing
27
right
degree
now, if you
centigrade
are
air is there,
patenting
so
your
it is here
product,
you
if
will
you're
get like
licensing your
15 degree
product,
or 17 degree
definitely
centigrade. If it
your
is
brand
there, so it
price
is
will
good.
increase. Say for example, the cost of medicine
So
which is coming in
then after
25
that hot
generic,
air, it
just given the
again enter
name,
into the
branded the medicine, it will
evaporator.
cost
So
85.
that
So
coolant
it's very, you have to
after
go with proper strategy.
so
Another
that
example which I
compression
am
process,
showing
the
you, the
coolant, it
distribution
becomes cool,
network.
it reject the heat
Look, if
at
you are a
here through
businessman,
this valve.
definitely you
So this
have a
coolant,
resellers, you
its
have a
temperature is around
wholesalers,
minus
you
6
have a
degree or minus
retailers.
4,
Okay, so
minus
if
7
you want
degree
to create a
centigrade.
distribution network,
It will cool down this hot water,
you should
which is
always build
of
a relation
15
with
degree
a
centigrade,
partner.
again to
And here, who
6
will be
degree
your
centigrade.
partner? Your
Okay,
retailers.
so this
Okay, your
cycle will
wholesalers.
complete. It is a
So
chill
what
water
is the
cycle.
difference? Why
Now,
Nokia gone down
what
and why
happens?
Oppo and Vivo come up?
To cool
Because
the coolant which is
there
used
was a
in the
time when
evaporator coil,
Nokia
it is
was
again
leading
heated
the mobile
minus 6
industry,
degree to let
because
us
it
say
was
it is
said that the hardware of Nokia was
7 degree
superb,
or 9 degree
superb.
something. So it will
Okay,
enter into the
even
condenser
when any
after
of the people
expansion
in
process,
coming to
and
the
when it will enter into the
mobile
condenser, there
shop,
it will
they were
release the
not
heat
saying we
through
need
the
a mobile.
water
They say we
which is
need a
circulated
Nokia
around
phone.
the condenser
So
and cooling
Nokia
tower.
has created their influence with
That
the tongue
coolant,
of the
it will
people.
become
Then
cool,
people
and
started following
that
Nokia only.
water
But
which is
what
coming
happened?
from the
So
cooling
Nokia
tower,
has
which is
just
a cold
came with an
water,
attitude,
it
and
helps to
he
cool
just
down this
provided that the
coolant,
margin
and
is only
that
15 to
water, it
20
becomes
rupees for
hot, and it
the
is again enter into
resellers.
the cooling tower.
I am selling a mobile
So
phone.
through
I have
this
a mobile
process,
shop.
it will
Okay, the mobile comes me
circulate through the
to me
cooling
is
material, and
1000
it is
rupees,
collected to
and
the
the
casing
MRP
of the cooling
printed is
tower. So this
1015 or
process, it is called cool
1020.
down the
So
water
I'm getting only
of
15 to 20
cooling
rupees
tower.
margin. But when
So
Oppo
it
and
is a
Vivo, like
condenser
I'm giving an
hot
example,
water
there
to
are many
cool
more
water cycle, and
mobile
it is a
industries, but
evaporator
like
cold water
Realme,
and hot water
Redmi,
cycle.
they came to the market.
And
They given highest
the
margin
chilled air
to
which
the
is supplied
retailer.
through this duct into
Now
the space,
phone is
again
coming
it
at
is
1000
collected
rupees
through this return
and
duct,
MRP is printed
and
at
suction
1500,
pumps
so I
are
can
there, and it
sell
is
to
again put
1300 or
into the
1400. So I'm getting 300 to
input side of the
400 rupees
filter of the
margin. So
air
now, if
handling
any
unit.
people, if any
So it is
consumer or
for
customer coming to the
space
mobile
cooling,
shop and he
and
asking for
if process
Nokia phone,
chilled water
you
is
think
requirement
the
is there, so
retailer will
tappings are
sell which
provided,
phone to
and
him?
it is given
So
to the air
retailer
handling
themselves
unit. It is
marketed,
going
no,
to
no,
the
please
some
purchase Oppo, please purchase Vivo, please
other
purchase some
process
another
wherever
phone,
it is required.
because he was
Normally, this chilled
getting a
water, it is used for
highest margin in that.
cleaning purpose,
So
cleaning of the
now
surface.
these phone
Suppose your
companies build
reactor is
a the relation with
inside
the
surface of the
consumers,
reactor in
customers,
process
sorry,
treatment.
retailers,
So chill
and
water treatment is
now
one of them.
without doing any marketing,
So
retailers
it is
are their marketing point. They
chilled
are
water
only doing
cycle.
marketing for them
So lot
because
of
they are getting a
power
good
is
margin.
consumed in chilled water
And
cycle. See,
Nokia has done
where
the
power
big
is
mistake
consumed,
in that
the
only.
condenser
So
water
these
circulated through
companies
the
create a relation with the partner. They
motor,
strengthen the
which is
partner by providing the high margin.
electrical load.
And now, if
Cooling
person is
fan,
saying that no,
cooling
I
tower,
need
the
Nokia
fan
phone,
which is
So they
rejecting the
saying
heat,
no, please purchase
is
this.
also
Means
electrical motor.
retailers are doing
The
this
pump
market.
condenser pump which
This is
collect
the
the
means
water
building
from
the
the heat out
relation
to the
with your
condenser is also
retailers.
electrical load.
Please take, if you are take care
Similarly,
of
the
retailers,
pump
definitely
which is
retailer will take
circulating
care
the
of
chilled
you.
water from the
So this
evaporator
is
to
the
the AHU, it is also
thing.
electrical.
Exclusive rights.
The fans,
If you
air
see,
handling unit,
if you have to
fans,
create a
blowers,
monopoly, definitely
it is also
exclusive rights.
electrical load, open
For
duct and supply
example,
duct, both.
Amazon and Flipkart.
So
If you see, some of the
in
phones
all
come
these
only at the Amazon
unit,
store.
lot of
You cannot
electrical
find in
power is
offline stores
consumed
also, not in
only
other online
to generate the
platform
chilled
also.
water on, let us
Because
say,
that
12,
online store
9
has
degrees
taken the
centigrade, and chilled
exclusive
air,
rights
let us
with the
say
company.
16 degrees
So
centigrade.
if that
Chilled
online
air, it is
store
used
keeps
for the
any of the price,
space cooling, and chilled
you
water it
definitely
is
have to
used
purchase
for
in the
some
same price
process.
only. You cannot
Okay,
bargain that.
so only to
So that's why
produce things which
exclusive
are
rights. If you are
consuming
taking
lot
the
of units
exclusive rights
or
of any
hours.
products, okay, of
So
any
still
company,
potential is
you
there
have a
in
full power
this type of
to
circuit.
make
But if you
prices,
learn
to
it
keep
properly
any
and
of
if
the
you
prices, because the
design it
person has to
properly, also
purchase
the
from
design
you
is very important.
yourself only. He
Pipelines
cannot
and
purchase from anybody else. So
because pressure
exclusive
is
right is
concerned
another important
in
thing.
this condenser, pressure
Okay,
between the cooling tower and
economics of
condenser.
sales.
If it is not maintained, so your
Now,
unit will
what
trip.
is economics of sales?
Normally
Means
run this
suppose
type
I
of
am
unit
purchasing
means
something in bulk
compressor
order,
of the
any
chiller
bulk
unit
order, and
through the
keeping
variable
my
frequency
profit
drive.
margin very less
Also
compared to any of
coordinate
the
the
retailer shop.
compressor
But
speed,
as I
coordinate
am keeping my
workman
margin less,
speed,
definitely
coordinate
my
the
sale will be maximum,
speed of the
and ultimately my
cam,
profit will be
and
maximum.
coordinate the pump
So
speed
always see on economics of
with
sale.
each other.
Whether you
So you will
when
get a
you are
lot of
purchasing in bulk,
power
definitely
saving.
keep
And
your
specific
profit
power
margin
consumption
less.
of this type
You
of
will get
units will be
high
less
profit
than
because
3.
of high sale.
Normally you will
So
find
this is also a
2,
business strategy to
2.5.
make your business
So if
flourish.
minimum is
High
0.7,
capital
so
investments.
your
Okay.
turn of
So the things
refrigerant
which I have discussed with you that
of the
about
chiller
Geo.
unit is very good.
Previously, the market was
These are the
taken by
pictures of the
Airtel,
chiller
Vodafone, and
units. So
Idea.
here you can
But
see it is
Jio
a
came.
condenser unit, it is a
Jio came
evaporator
with a
unit. Normally
huge capital
evaporator unit, it is an
investment,
insulated unit.
huge capital
It is a motor,
investment, and
compressor
huge
motor,
services.
and these are
He
the
came
supply
with a
points of the
strategy. He given the
input
SIM
outputs are
card
there.
free for
So
6
in
months,
these also 3 types
and
of
people
chillers are
just
available.
become
One is the
used to
screw
do
chiller,
that.
second is the
So
reciprocating,
if
third
you
one is
have
the
a huge
centrifugal.
capital invest,
Normally screw
definitely
chillers
you
are
can be
efficient
a
presently. Lot of companies are
barrier,
there
entry
which are
barrier
making
to
the
a
screw type
market.
design.
Market,
So
sorry.
always use the screw type
Proprietary
chiller. So
technology,
also number of
definitely.
units,
If
parallel
you
units 1, 2,
are
3, 4, 5
having
are
something
running
good
in
that
dairy.
somebody is
In dairy
or else
industry,
never
there are a lot
go
of
with it, like you see
requirement of
that
chilled water
for
which is there.
Microsoft,
In pharmaceutical
90% of the
industry also there is a
market
requirement
shares
of
are
chilled water
taken by
and chilling.
Microsoft for
But
operating
electrical
systems.
consumption is
So even many
very
operating
high.
systems came
So
after
it is a
Microsoft, like
saving
Linux also, like
location. You're saving
Apple
location
also.
where you
Still,
can focus,
Microsoft
where you
is
can do
ruling
some
the
research, when you can do some
world
modifications,
for this computer
anything you
software.
can do.
So this is the
These are
way
the pictures of
proprietary
different types
technology
of
means you don't have to share your
systems,
rights with anybody.
HVAC
If
systems.
you are
PLCs are
innovative,
there,
if you have an
package ACs are there,
innovative product,
Windows
don't
units
share with
are there.
anyone.
Then also
Excellent
SAP
customer
units are
service.
available,
Now
ERP
look,
units are available.
if you don't have
Here
a
in
good
this
product,
picture you can
but if your
see
service is
the
excellent, no, you
insulation
will
of
have a
the
more customer.
evaporator.
Okay.
In the evaporator,
Likewise,
chilled
only
water is circulated.
when
If
Domino's
insulation is
Pizza was
damaged,
there,
so
they had
avoid
just
this type of
promoted that
damage. Repair this
fresh
type of
hot
damage
pizza
immediately.
delivered in 30
Otherwise,
minutes
what
or
happen?
less,
Your
or it's
surrounding
free.
temperature in summer it is
So
45 degrees centigrade,
they
but
were
inside
challenging
temperature it
that
will
if you
9
order
degrees
and within
centigrade.
30 minutes, if you are
So
not
temperature
delivered the
difference
pizza,
will
no, we
create.
will
So
give you
you are
free
losing
pizza.
your
So
energy.
this was the
So
stat. They have a
finally, overall
confidence in
your
the
unit
services.
consumption
So
you
if
are
people is
losing.
ordering the
That means
pizza, they
money.
know, yeah, this company is
Money you
full
are
confident.
losing.
They will deliver in 30 minutes.
Also, second point
Or
is
else if they
leakages. You
don't
can
deliver,
see
we'll get
leakages
free pizza.
in the
So this
valves
is
are
the way they
there.
were
Okay,
marketing.
so
The
this
marketing
surface is
strategy
weight
was
only
so
because of
unique.
the chilled water
Okay, they
leakage
are so
from this
confident in the services
valve. It is
that
a
people
mechanical
started
device.
believing on them, and
Manual operation is there
their
normally.
profit
So
increases
avoid this type of
day by
leakages.
day before because of this kind.
This picture
And
it is
again,
a air
if you
handling
want to
units.
create a monopoly in your
You can find out
business,
this
the
type of
brand
air handling
equity is very
units in
important.
centralized
What is
AC
brand
buildings,
equity?
like
You
malls.
know about
In
Fevicol,
Vadodara, a lot of
you know
malls are
about
there.
Maggie.
Central mall is
Okay,
there near to that Ganda Circle.
so
Then
friends, it's
after
not a
that,
Maggie, it's a noodles. Maggie is a
is
company
also there.
name. Still, people
Big
call it
bazaars
Maggie
are there.
because
A lot of
Maggie is a
malls are
company
there. So
name. But I want to purchase a
fifth floor
noodles.
building
It's a
is there.
noodles,
So
not a
each and
Maggie.
every floor,
But brand
these type of
equity.
units are
Now
provided, and
people call
they are
noodles
It is
also
a
with a
suction
Maggie.
duct from the roof.
Fevicol.
Air
It's
is
not a
entered.
Fevicol. It's a
Here
company
is the
name.
filter,
Its
and
own compound
it
name
is
is
entered, and
synthetic
here is the
resin
supply
adhesive.
duct. So
But I cannot
inside
say to
that the chill
the
water
shop
is
holder, please
coming.
give me
Here you can
synthetic
see the
resin
chill water
adhesive,
lines.
because
So filter is
my
poured and
tongue is
normally honey pads
now
are there,
useful
and this air it will
saying
enter into
Fevicol.
this honey pad,
It's
and
now saying
suppose
my
it
tongue
is
is means
27 degrees
trained
centigrade.
of
So
saying
here you will
Fevicol,
find
because the market of
15
Fevicol is so much
14
great.
degrees
They
centigrade temperature
created
of
their
air.
brand
It is a
equity.
supply duct, and
MCL.
supply motor is also
Okay,
there, and
we are saying
also
MCL. It's a
suction
company
motor
name.
are
Actually, it's a
also available.
regular epoxy compound.
So
But I
utility
cannot say
consumption
to
is
the
there
shop holder, please
inside
give me
this.
regular
These
epoxy
ducts will
compound.
enter
I
into
think even
your
shop holder
space,
was unable to
and on the
justify
space
this
you can
name with
find
this.
out the
Even he will don't know that
ducts.
we can
So these
call
type
this
of
as a
arrangements are
regular
there.
epoxy compound.
So here the differential
So,
pressure
like
is
Desh ka namak
given.
Tata,
You have to
Thanda
measure the
matlab
differential pressure
Coca-Cola.
across the
So
supply and
these are the
demand.
brand
So
equity. If you
manometer,
are creating a
equal to
brand
this
like that,
manometer,
no,
you can
the things will
use
be
and
known with your brand,
vacuum pressure gates are
not with
also
their original
available to
thing.
measure the
So this is
NMWC
the way
vacuum.
they are doing the marketing.
Now,
Okay. So
in this
now
picture
we'll
you
be
can see
discussing. I
the
don't want to
measurement
discuss
of the
about
flow
e-commerce, but
of
we'll
the
be
condenser
discussing
line.
today about
It is a
digital
chilled water
marketing.
line.
Okay.
It is a
Or will
condenser line
digital
where
marketing.
hot
Why
water
it's
is
so
there.
much important?
So
Open
to
space
measure
with
the
no
flow, you
boundaries.
have to remove the
Friends,
insulation
there are two
of that
ways to
surface,
discuss
and
about digital
after smoothing
marketing.
down
Okay.
this
If
surface,
I'm compare, I have
you
to
can
compare
install
about
the
digital
sensors
marketing
of the
and
flow
traditional
meter.
marketing.
So
What
it
is the
is very
difference between
difficult task.
traditional marketing and
Sometimes you
digital
will
marketing?
get the flow, and sometimes you
So,
will not get the flow.
uh,
There
we
is
will
no
discuss
guarantee if
about
the
this,
flow will you
but
will
before
get or
that,
not.
I
If
just want to
suppose you
know
are
that
getting the
make you
flow, then
understand
it is
about this
okay. It
thing.
is a very good.
Now
Suppose you are
people is
not getting
online.
the
They are
flow,
using
then you
mobile
have to
phones. They are
take the
using
car
laptops and all
data
that.
sheet of
Okay,
this
time
internet,
spent
and
by
from
people on mobile.
there
As
you have
per
to
the
find out the flow according to
government
the power
officials, they
consumption
say
flow.
that
That
time spent by
physical.
people on mobile per day is
So you have
200
to
minutes
take the
per day
values
in
from this
2019,
data
which
sheet.
increases to
Now
300
here
minutes
some
per
points,
day in
for summary
2020.
points I
And in
have
pandemic, it was increased to 500
right.
minutes per day. Means
Saving
people are
opportunities in
spending
the
4
chiller.
to 5 hours in their mobile
So
phones, in their
increase the chilled
laptops, and
water
all that.
temperature set point if
Means if
possible.
you are
Normally,
marketing, if you are
chilled
doing
water
social
set points
promotions on this
people are running
platforms,
during
no,
the summer
definitely
season. It
your
is
post, your marketing,
6
your
degree.
advertisements
Normally, they
will
are
be
setting
visible
their
by
set
that.
point on 9 degree
So
in
the thing is
that
that
winter season.
digital
And if
marketing is
monsoon
creating
season is there,
a
so in between
unique
7 to 8
platform
degrees
in this
centigrade they are
world.
setting.
Okay.
Normally, the set point it
So
is
what is
according
the
to
difference
your
between traditional marketing
well
and
bulb
digital
temperature
marketing?
of the
Why?
atmosphere, and where you can
Because
find out the exact
look,
well
in
bulb
traditional
temperature of
marketing,
your
it says the
atmosphere.
conversion is slow
The nearest
because
airport location, as per my
traditional
experience,
marketing
the
means
nearest
you
airport
are
location
giving
in well
ads
bulb
on
temperature, it
people,
will
you are
act as a reference to
distributing the
take the set
leaflets,
point
you
of the
are
chiller.
distributing means making the hoardings and all that. So
Uh,
that are all the
so
traditional marketing forms.
by
I do not
reducing the
know whether
condensing
the
temperature
response will be good or
5.5
not,
degrees
whether
centigrade
feedback will be there
results
or
in
not, because
7.22
it just
to
leaflets
25
are
degrees centigrade.
distributed,
Now
hoardings are
here,
just placed,
what I
newspapers
have
are
to
done,
add,
but I cannot get any response from that
between the
particular thing.
cooling
I don't
tower
have any
and
medium how
condenser.
to get the response from them.
Normally, the
And it
cooling
is
tower,
this kind of marketing is limited to particular
how
city,
cooling tower
particular
works.
state, or a
So in
particular
cooling
country,
tower,
and more money consuming.
the
Return
hot
of
water it is
investment is
entering,
zero.
and here
We
at the
cannot say whether the
basin you
return
will
on investment
get
will
the
be there
cold
or
water.
not, and it is
Okay.
very expensive.
So suppose your hot water
But talking
temperature
about
is
digital marketing, conversion rate
30
is very
degrees
high.
centigrade. So your cold
Why?
water
Because
temperature
if
it should
I have taken
be
one post
around
promoted to
27,
Instagram or
28 degrees
Facebook,
centigrade. So the
definitely
delta T
somebody can
is
comment
nearby
immediately, instantly.
5 degrees
I don't
centigrade
have to
is there as
wait
per the
for
Indian
the
atmosphere. So it
printing
is very good.
industries to print
But
my
normally in
leaflets,
industry
to
you will find
hoarding
the
person to
delta
just
T less
go
than 5
and put
degrees
my
centigrade.
hoardings and all that.
In
I
monsoon
go
season, the
created
delta
a
T it
post,
will
marketed on social
automatically
media, instant
increase up
response,
to 7 to 8
fast
degrees centigrade.
conversion, dynamic
In
feedback.
winter season,
Means on your post itself, somebody
it
can
is
comment,
approximate 4 to
like,
5, but in summer
okay.
season, it is less than
So
5
you can
degrees
getting the
centigrade. So that's
instant
why they
dynamic
have to
feedback.
run the
Return of investment definitely yes.
fans which are
If you are
installed in the
investing on
cooling
digital
tower.
marketing,
So
they will
this
show
fan will
the
help to inject
criteria. They will
to
show you the
eject the heat
analytics. How
of
many
this
people
hot
visited
water
your
which is
post? How
coming
many people
to this
liked your
chill
post?
material.
How many people commented your
So
post?
hot water will
So
come from the
definitely
this
return
chill
of
material,
investment is
and
there.
this fan will
It's
generate
very
the negative
effective
pressure and
and
inject the heat into
targeted
the
and
atmosphere.
customizable.
So your
Means
delta T you can maintain.
suppose I have
So
to
cooling tower
market
delta T
in
must be
Ahmedabad
maintained
region.
up
I am
to 5
residing in
degrees
Vadodara.
centigrade.
I
So
have
you
to
get this
market in Ahmedabad
saving.
region.
And Only
Even in
cars are
Ahmedabad, I
produced
have to
directly to
market
the
only in
condenser or
Manipur
the chiller.
region.
So
I can market. I can do with the
if
help
you
of
are
social media.
27
So
degrees
this is the
centigrade,
power of
if you
social
are
media,
reducing this
that sitting
temperature,
at one
suppose
place, you
20,
can market in
22
any
degrees
part of the
centigrade,
world,
by
in any
placing
part of the
additional cooling
region,
tower in
in any
parallel
part
with
of the
this,
state.
so your
This
temperature
is
will
the power
reduce.
of
Okay,
digital
so
marketing.
the direct load on the chiller unit
So
will reduce and you
if
will
you want to
get
do a
more
business,
saving,
you
more than
definitely have to go with the
25% you
digital
will get
marketing.
saving.
And look, if you are going to any
Then
kind
after
of
these are
this
some points
business
that PPT
models,
I will
no,
share
or
with
in digital
you.
marketing, there will
You
be
can
always something good
follow
and
the
something bad.
points.
Now people are more likely they want to gain a success very fast
Then after other utility
and
is the
with
pumping
unethical
system.
way.
So in
So
pumping, it is a single
everything is
line diagram of the
available.
pump.
If
What
I'm using
pumps are
black
doing?
hat
Here is
tools,
the
means
pump.
black hat tools
One
means
side is the receiver
there
side
are
and second side
Autobots
is
where
the
you will get
source side.
automatic like,
So purpose
automatic
is what?
comment,
To take
automatic
the
click,
fluid,
automatic link
either
techniques.
solid, liquid
So
or
if
gas
you are
from
going with
this
a
location to
wrong
this location. Okay,
way,
यहाँ से
you
यहाँ
are
को
doing
लेना है.
content spinning
Whether it is a
or
parallel to
keyword
ground,
stuffing,
whether
you
it
are
is
going
above
with the
ground, whether it
wrong
is a below
way.
ground. The
Okay,
suction point
where you are
sometimes
just fooling to the
if
social
well is
media
there, so suction point is
analytics,
below. Your
then
suction pressure
definitely
will be
you
negative.
can fool for 1 day,
Okay, if it
2 day,
is
or a
ground, so
3 day.
suction
But
and discharge pressure, there is no
after few days
difference.
or after
Okay,
few hours,
so the pressure
your post or your
to the
page will be
suction
blocked.
side, it
So
is
if
called
you
as
want
the
to do
suction
a
pressure, and
marketing,
pressure to
go
the
with
discharge
proper
side, it is
Google
called as the
Analytics,
discharge pressure.
proper
And
content,
pressure you
proper
can measure at
don't
this point, at this
spoof the
location.
content.
So
Okay,
pressure gauge will
don't
help
copy the
you to measure
content,
the pressure
don't
kg
create
per
the
centimeter
copy.
square,
What
and this
I've
flow
discussed
meter,
earlier,
it
don't
will
copy,
you
be
help to measure
original.
the
If you are
flow in
original,
meter cube per
definitely you will
second or
get a
meter cube
proper
per hour.
response.
Okay, so that is the purpose
Okay,
of the
so it was said
pumping
that
system.
8
Now
lakh new
you
jobs in
can see
digital
the
marketing.
different
So we'll be discussing
pictures
the
of the
modes
pumps
of digital
which are running
marketing,
in
like
parallel. This
Google
is insulated
AdWords.
line, it is
What
the
is
chilled
Google
water
AdWords?
lines. These green lines, it is
Means
the hot
Google
water
AdWords
line. So
means
number of
you are
chilled
giving
water
ads
pumps
on
and
Google.
hot water
If you want to give
condenser pumps
ads,
are running.
okay,
This
it will
pump, it
the
is a
ads
cooling
on
water pump.
Google.
It is a
Mean
cooling
and
water
it will be a
condenser
paid
pump
ads or unpaid
for the
also.
power
Means
plant.
if you're
So
you have to show
this type
something,
of
this any person
operations are
searching
there.
something on
Also in some
Google,
steel
it will be
industry, you
like that. And
can
if you're
see
giving
these
some
type of pump houses
keywords that I
are
have to give
provided
ads,
for the
definitely
normal
it's known
water,
also known as
which is
pay
used
per
in
click.
the
If people is
process.
clicking on that,
But
okay,
here in
then
this
only your
picture, you can see the
money will be
leakages are
deducted.
there.
Otherwise,
Leakages at the
no money will
bottom
be
of the
deducted. You will
water
be getting a proper
tank is there.
feedback, proper
So
leads.
remove these leakages because
SEO means
you are
search engine
wasting the
optimization.
water
Okay,
consumption of the
it's depend
plants.
upon the Google
Now to
Analytics
access,
that whether
to
any
assess the
person
pump, you
searching
require to calculate
anything
the
on Google, your
efficiency.
page should be
Efficiency is
listed
equal
first.
to
So this is
hydraulic
also
power
part of digital
divided by
marketing.
electrical
Social
power.
media
So
marketing,
hydraulic
whether it's
power
LinkedIn,
you
Facebook,
can
Instagram, is a
calculate
part
by
of social
measuring the
media.
flow and
Email
pressure.
marketing today,
With the
look,
help
people
of
are
flow meter, you can measure the
sending
flow, and with the help of pressure gauge, you
greetings
can
or
measure
their
the
marketing on
head.
emails with the help
1
of
kg
email
per
marketing.
centimeter square, it is
Google
approximately
Analytics,
equal to 10
which I already
milliwatt.
discussed,
Because pressure
website
gauge, it is
enhancement,
giving
because
kg per
if you are
centimeter
dealing with
square, and in equation you
digital marketing,
require the
definitely you
meter.
should have a good
Okay, so by
website, good
converting these,
content,
you will get the
even
head
YouTube
in
marketing. This
meter,
all are coming
and
in
the
digital
G it is
marketing.
9.1,
And
and
if
it
you
is
know about
fixed
these
value.
things,
It is for
definitely
water,
you
it
will
is
be having a
1 to
great
1,
success.
1.2,
So
and it will
what
give
I
you the
have
hydraulic
discussed till
power, and
now
this
is about
hydraulic power
how to
divided by
develop your
electrical
business.
power. Electrical power you
What
can
are the
measure with the
factors
help of
and what
power analyzer,
how digital marketing will be
kilowatt.
helping you
Okay,
to
so
grow your
hydraulic
business.
power unit it is in kilowatt,
One
and
more thing which
electrical
I'm
power
going to
unit is
discuss about
also
the guerrilla
kilowatt. So you will
marketing.
get the efficiency.
Okay, it's a
Normally,
new
water
form of
pump, the
marketing.
efficiency you will find
Okay, what it
85%
will be
to
saying that
65%.
less money
So it is
investment,
good. If you
viral the
find
post,
efficiency less
and
than
in unique way.
65%, then there are some
So,
opportunities
just I
for
have given an
modifications or
example of
replacement of
Baroda
the pump,
Dairy
or changing of the
circle.
impeller, or
Okay, it's near
replacement
Susan
of the
Circle.
impeller, or
Now you
change the
can see
size of the pipe.
the circle which they have
Lot of
made is like
opportunities are
very
there.
unique way. If any person moves
Here
from
is
that circle,
it is
no,
called
he
as the
has a
affinity
unique
law. According to these affinity laws,
picture of
you
that
have to
circle in
choose
his
the
mind,
size
and he
of
will
the pump.
always remember, oh, it's a
Uh,
Baroda Dairy
to
circle.
that it indicates
So
it
the
stands
things,
for
the
the flow, and
attractiveness
it is
means
for
now
speed.
whatever
HT
people
is
are
for the
taking
head or
selfie there,
pressure,
okay, and
and
posting
P it
on
is for the
YouTube,
power.
or sorry,
Flow
pasting on
proportional to
social media
speed, H
platform.
proportional to
So
speed
Baroda
square,
is not
and
doing a
power
marketing.
proportional to
People is
speed
doing a
Q.
marketing for him because they
Any
have created
100%
something unique.
10% reduction
It
in
is
the
the
flow, it
center of
will reduce the
attraction.
power by
I have one
27%,
good
and
example.
50%
This
reduction in the
picture you
flow,
can see
it can reduce the power
extreme
consumption
emotional
approximately by
engagement talk
87%.
of the town.
So
The
always run
person
your
has is just
pump with minimum head and
repairing the
minimum
shoes and all that.
pressure.
Okay, but what
So
he
you
has
can
mentioned, if I will say in Hindi, Jakhmi Juto ka
reduce the
Haspatal,
power
means
consumption.
he
Actually,
is
your pump you
just
have to run on
a
due
person who is just
your
repairing
viewpoint
shoes
is
and
there.
slippers,
But
but
trial
the
and
way
error
he
method, you have to
expressed,
find out the
the
viewpoint
way
of
he's shown
your
how he's
import and
doing the same
firms.
thing. Okay, it's
It is a
something
firm
unique.
characteristics.
People
So
started
according to this
capturing the
firm
picture
characteristic,
and
you have
poster.
to
Look, there is something unique.
choose
It's
the
look
firm. On
something
x-axis, the pro is there.
different.
On
So,
y-axis, efficiency,
and
power,
this
kilowatt, and
picture is
heavy
shown by Mr.
meter is there.
Mahindra, the chairman of
So,
Mahindra Group of Industries.
according to your
Okay,
application, according to
Anand Mahindra
your
has shown
requirement,
that in his
according to your
presentation
pressure,
also.
you have to choose
This
the
picture was
efficiency of
shown
the
by
pump,
Anand
rating of
Mahindra
the
in his
pump,
presentation
etc.
to his corporate peoples. So you
These
see
are some
a
points
person,
that I
a
have summarized
billionaire,
for
he is
saving of the
showing
pump,
this picture to
saving
his
of the power in the
presentation
pump.
of a
Always
person who
select
is
the
very
efficient
poor
pump
if we
firstly.
see from him.
Then after
But the
trim
thing
the
is that
impeller
the
of the pump.
expression, okay,
By
the way
trimming the
of
impeller, you can
presentation is
vary the
unique.
flow easily,
So
and your
now, if
drops
my
will
photo or
reduce.
my
Pressure
business
drops
photo
will
is
reduce.
promoted by
So
Anand
your pump will
Mahindra,
run with a minimum pressure.
see,
So
people are
always
coming. Why
set
people will not
the
come now?
pressure
Because
minimum as
if I have
possible.
promoted by Anand
Implement the
Mahindra,
proper control
definitely
valves.
now I am
Then
the
after use the variable
means I am
frequency
very
drives or
good
variable speed drives.
businessman compared because
When a
he's
belt, if a belt system
um,
is there, suppose
involving him
here is your
yourself.
motor
Means
and
he
here is
likes
your
your
pump.
content. So
It
this is
is
the
run
way
through the
your
belt.
marketing is done
So
by
use
such
this
a
belt
billionaire.
system and
You don't have to
always use the
spend a
direct
single
coupling.
penny for that.
And
It's
when you
promoted by
involve the
the
direct
people
coupling,
only. You
then
don't
run
have to
through this
promote
VFD.
yourself. So this is the thing. If you're creating
Do
a
the
unique thing,
automation
no,
between
you
the
don't have
flow
to
and
market. People will
VFD.
market for yourself. And
Maintain
it's now
the
a selfie zamana, we can
pumping
say.
system
People are taking
effectively.
selfies of unique things.
Use the multiple
So
pumps. Yes,
promoting the things in
parallel
unique
operation
way
of the
definitely
pumps
gives you a
is
success.
preferable. So
So there are many more
element which are
examples
necessary
and
use
graphics which I have
unnecessary use.
discussed that
Normally in
how
industry, what
promotions
happens
will be
during the
done
recess
in
hours?
way
If
of guerrilla
industry is
marketing so
running for
that you
24
are not
hours,
marketing but people will
normally
market you.
3 hours
Okay,
are for
media
the
will
recess
market
hours,
you.
3 shift,
Okay,
according to the 3 shift. And during
so
these recess
these
hours,
things
no
are there.
process is
Now I'll be
going on and
discussing
pumps are
with you
running
about a
unnecessarily.
case study.
Pumps, air
I have like
compressors,
few case studies
then
for
the
you.
blower, small fans,
Okay,
small
which will be
blowers,
like helpful for you.
then
So I have to discuss. I'll be discussing about a case study of Geo.
small
Okay,
cooling fans, they are
so
running
it's only because
unnecessarily.
you may understand the things which we have
Testing
discussed
that.
right now. Okay, in this webinar, how it will be
So
helpful to
we have
you
to
if
avoid
you're opening
these
your
type of
business.
unnecessarily running
So
operation
Geo,
of
Geo means
this type of
before Geo
machineries.
came at that time, Airtel, Vodafone, and Idea were ruling the internet
Sorry,
market,
screen is visible?
telecommunication market. Okay,
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay.
but it was said that 60 to 70% revenue at that time was
Now
generated
other
by the voice
utility is the
calls,
cooling tower.
not by the
Sir, is there a
internet.
time
Now I think
or
90% revenue was
when we have
generated by
to
the
finish our
internet,
session?
but at that time 60 to 70% revenue was generated by
Sir,
voice call.
it would be
People
good
were not using
if it is
internet much
possible for you to
because
finish in 5
if I
minutes.
am to use 3 GB
A
internet
lot of
of 1
utilities
GB,
are
I have to
there,
pay
and
250
okay, no
rupees.
problem.
Now I think
I'm
in
trying to
250
finish
rupees
it
I can
in
use
5 to 10
whole
minutes.
month
Yes.
internet per month,
Okay,
and
so we are
also
skipping the video of
more
cooling
than
tower.
less than in
I'm
250 rupees
explaining
throughout
how
the
it is
month and will be
working.
unlimited internet.
Uh,
So what Geo has
See,
done,
here
it
is
has
the
created
cooling
an
tower, the
anti-barrier,
different types of cooling
invested
towers in
2.5 lakh
commercial
crore
airports
rupees.
and
It is a
thermal
huge
plants. And
amount,
see,
which will
at the
be,
top you
which
can
was
find out
three
that
more
fan
than
which is
three times
running,
the
which is
investment of
used to
Airtel,
inject
Vodafone, and Idea.
that
So you
reject the
can
heat into
think
the atmosphere.
that the
So
what was the investment he has
at some
done?
here location, the hot
3
lines are there,
into
and
Airtel, Vodafone, and
through the
Idea
cool material,
investment.
the water is
Created
converted into
8,000
chilled water,
kilometers of
cold
fiber
water, chilled
optic
water.
cabling throughout the Bay
So
of
the
Bengal.
delta T, it should be 5
Okay,
degrees centigrade
Geo
minimum.
speed is 40
So
terabyte per second, which
in
we
our
call
Indian
SMS roaming and
industries,
internet,
this
whereas
type of
Airtel is 4 terabyte per
cooling
second only.
towers you will
So
find.
you can see the comparison
Normally they
between
are
them. Why
on the
Geo
open atmosphere,
came
and
in within very
this type
few
of
years it
leakages are
flourished.
there.
Why
Nobody is
Airtel,
maintaining the
Vodafone, Idea
cooling tower.
down
Water
compared
is
to
coming,
him?
but if
Because
23 degrees
of
centigrade
its
water is coming, so here
investment
you will find
in
out
proper
22
way.
degrees centigrade. So 1
So
degree
they are
centigrade,
providing
or
8
sometimes it
SIM
is
cards
0.5 degrees centigrade. It
in
is a mini
single
case.
Aadhaar card.
So
Activation in within
you have to
15
make a
minutes.
proper
If
shade on the
previously
cooling
what
tower,
happened, if you
and
want to activate
you
any
have to
Airtel,
maintain
Vodafone, or
the
Idea
cooling
SIM,
tower
it
properly.
will take 2 days also, 3 days
So
also,
these are
and
the
even
points
a week also.
by which you
But
can.
Geo, with the help of
One
fingerprints,
important point is use the
only within
FRP
15
blades in the
minutes they
cooling
can
fan.
activate your SIM and
Cooling
provide
fan,
you
normally aluminum
fast
MS
service.
blades are used. So if you use the FRP blade, so it is better
And
to
loss leading
reduce the
strategy
weight
and entry
and
barrier.
save
What was the
ourselves.
strategy they have
Second
used?
point is use the spray type
Leading
nozzles
strategy and
where
entry
hot
barrier.
water is
If I'm
coming.
talking
So
about
use
entry
the spray type
barrier,
nozzle.
they have
Fog type nozzles also you can
invested
use.
2.5 lakh
If you
crore,
sprinkle the
which has
water more and
not
more,
done
if
by
you
any
that
of
means
the company till
you
now.
are
Loss leading strategy means
uh,
previously like within like up to
जैसे पानी को
6
तोड़ते
months
हैं
to 8
जितना,
months they
sprinkling,
went under
more
lock
and more
because they were
sprinkling, it
providing
will
SIM
reduce
cards
the
free of cost,
temperature
providing
of the water
internet and
and
calls free
release
of
the heat.
cost. So they have
So FRP
bear the
blade
loss,
nozzles, and also
but after
you
that
can use the
they become success
variable
they
frequency
got
drives
because
replacement of main
people
fan.
become used to with Geo.
It is a
They
picture of a
started
boiler,
purchasing
how boiler is
Geo SIM
working.
cards.
It is a
So the
30-ton
strategy
boiler.
we will say
So
is
normally which
gun
utilities are
and
connected
bullet
with the
strategy,
boiler?
printer
So
and ink
boiler
strategy
PO,
means
FD fan is
if
connected,
I
ID fan is
distribute the
connected
bullet
at
to
this
everyone,
location. Normally
definitely for
for the
bullet,
economizer,
I get
ID
the
fan is
bullet,
there.
but to
Here is the
use the bullet,
chimney.
I have to purchase a
Economizer, it
gun.
is for the
If I
recovery.
distribute the
And
ink to everyone, but to
you will find some
use
other
that
small
ink,
pumps and
I have to
small
purchase
pumps
the
are there.
printer. Similarly, what
Which
Jio has
point is
done,
very most
distributed
important?
the
The
SIM
stack
card for
temperature should
free.
be, if
But
you
to run
find
that 4G
your
SIM
stack
card, you should
temperature
have a
more than
4G
200
phone.
degrees
So
centigrade,
people
then
started
use the
purchasing a 4G
recuperator,
phone
and with the
because of
help of
that
this
free SIM
recover
card.
this heat, and
So this is
with the help
now
of this
is
heat,
shown
you
as the
can
gun bullet strategy. You can
heat
say
the water and
they
you can heat
distributed
the
the
air,
SIM
and
card
that hot
freely.
water and
But
hot
to
air you
run that
can
4G
feed
SIM
into
card,
the
people
boiler.
started purchasing a 4G phone.
Which are
That
fitted
was
for
the
this.
very,
Okay,
very
so fuel consumption
thinkable,
inside
a
the
very
boiler
good
will
strategy they have
reduce.
used.
So
India ranked in top 10 in
this
mobile consumption
parameter,
previously,
according to this parameter,
which
you
was
have to do the
150. Now
study.
India is in 10th, under
So
10. I
when I
think is
visit, then
third and
always I
fourth
focus
position
on these
in
stack
mobile
temperatures.
consumption data. Previously it was 150.
These are the
See the
pictures of the
change,
boilers. Normally, this
huge
type
and
of
mass change.
vertical
Even
boilers,
referral strategy
horizontal boilers you will
consumer
find
promoter
in
means
industries,
they
which are
started
used for the
giving
generation
SIM
of the
card free to
steam.
the people,
If some
and
heating applications are
consumer
there, then this type
become the
of
promoter.
losses,
Now, if suppose I
radiation
got a free
losses,
SIM card, I just will
you
say
will
my
find
friends
out.
also, look, this SIM card they are providing free SIM card, internet is very good, you can purchase it. So
You
their
can
consumer become their promoter.
go
This is
and
what
work
that
and you can
strategy.
find out
One
best of the
more
saving time.
important case study I have to discuss with you. There are many more case
Diesel
studies with me,
generator
but I don't have like
in
much
diesel
time to
generator
discuss with
set.
you. So because of this time
Normally, diesel generator sets are provided
shortage,
in
we'll discuss about one
HT industries, and
more
they
case
have
study
to
with you about
they
the
are running only
McDonald's.
during the
So
some abnormal
McDonald's
condition. If
was
tripping at the grid side is there, so
started by
immediately they have to run the
Ray
diesel
Kroc in
generator set.
1940,
But they are run on
and it's
temporary
also
basis.
coming here
So diesel
known as
generator
a
set,
quick
you have
service
to
restaurant by Forbes,
always you have to
and
maintain this
most
parameter on the
visited
log.
restaurant in
See,
the world.
specific energy
What
to generation
happened to
ratio.
McDonald's?
So according to the
When
KVA,
McDonald's came to
energy
India, no, at that
generation
time,
ratio should be
they
this.
were only selling to non-veg
3
foods,
to 4.
means non-veg burgers, not veg burgers. So they found
These are the
that
saving opportunities
the business was not
for
so
the
much
diesel
good.
generators. Always take the
So
intake
the
care of
owner
the
of McDonald's
diesel
came to
generator
India to research about that
as
why
cold as possible.
it's happening like
So
that. The
inside
head was
your
coming to
lot
India,
of savings
came
are
to
there
India,
in
and
oil
he
circuit, lot of
researched
savings are
why
there in coolant circuit,
we
lot
are
of savings are
flourishing in the
there.
world, but why in India our burger are not sold much.
Another
So he
is the
came to know
lighting
that in
system.
India,
Lighting system
maximum
approximate
people
3
are
to 4
veg.
percentage load
So
is
he came
there
to
of
understand the
lighting
strategy
system.
of India
Lights
and
in
started
the
with
street
veg burger
like
also.
street lights,
And
boundary
because of
lights, office
that,
lights
his
everywhere.
business
So
started
in
in
this you have
India.
to measure the lux level. So
So what is the
according to the
unique
different
thing they are
locations, lux
using?
levels are
Burger
there.
ready in 3
So
minutes
here I
in
have
quick service. Most of the
highlight some
people
locations.
are
General
very
lightings are there, so 20 to 50.
every people has to go
Interior
to work
lightings is
very
there,
fast. They have
150
just
to
not have time
100,
itself.
200.
So
Office
they say
lightings,
that we are
then
making the
workshops,
burger in 3 minutes.
assembly.
You don't
Then
have to
lot of
wait at
locations are
store.
there
Because in
where
many
lux
of
level
the
is
restaurants
required.
we are
Presently,
going,
corporate
we are
office
ordering food. It
discharge,
will take
according
10
to the
minutes,
HVDC
15
codes,
minutes,
they are
20 minutes,
maintaining the lux
half an
level
hour
up
also.
to 600,
So people
from
bored.
600 to
But
900
burger,
lux,
that's the
which is
difference
very
between
high.
quick service and full service restaurant.
Because it
Full
is a
service means they
requirement
are
of
making
this type of
everything, but they are
buildings.
taking much time. Quick service has
These
some
are the
specific
points
thing,
by
but your
which you
time
can do the automation
consumption
in the
is very
lighting
less.
system for
So
reducing
within
the
3 minutes you
wattage
are
level
getting the
to
burger.
multiple fittings.
Okay,
Instead of multiple fittings, use the
37,000
separate switch for
outlets
each
in the
line,
world.
every line.
Oh, it's a
Use
very
the
great.
multiple switch. Install the
Served in
dimmers,
115
install the motion
countries,
detectors.
115
Motion
countries,
detectors normally you can use in the
60 million
corridors, in your
million burgers to
bathrooms, and
customers every day,
everywhere.
and more than 1,000
In your
billion
server
burgers
rooms.
already sold.
Use the natural light as
So even they
possible.
have a
Lights
huge
clean,
employees like
surface
3.75
is to
lakh
clean
employees
more.
throughout the world.
Otherwise,
So even their
heat loss will
revenues is
increase.
very good. But what are
Turn
the
the lights
strategies
off.
behind that? We will be discussing about
So
the 7
here some
important
wastage
strategies
during the
which
day.
McDonald's has
These 400 watt sodium
taken
lamps are
into
running. Number of
consideration
sodium lamps
and
are
which
there.
make its business flourished.
More than
Power of systems and repeatability. If you are saying about the model and method, no. So what they use this franchisee owner is first, last, and most important customer.
avoid
So they
running
given
use of this
every
type
power to
of.
their franchisee owner who is taking the franchises. They are taking care of them.
So,
They are
sir,
training
I have
them. They
finished
are
most of the content.
helping them to creating the outlet,
Yes, Amit.
showcase everything. So
And if
the most
anybody have any question,
important
then
customer to them
please
is the
ask. And if
owner, the
there is a
franchisee owner,
time,
because
so
what
I
he
can
has purchased the
discuss
franchise, he's taken the franchisee,
the
and
energy
maybe
audit
whatever the revenue he will be generating,
of
Sir,
McDonald's will
actually,
be getting some part of
we
that.
have to
Strategic
because of the
values,
time
they are always
limitation, we have to end
focusing
this.
on QSCV,
I have
means
received
quality
2-3
should
questions
be great,
which
service
from the
should be
students,
best,
which I
cleanliness
want
should
to
be
ask.
always be there, and value for money of the
So, and then
customer
we'll
should
end
be
up the
there.
session. Also,
Then only
if it is
customer will
possible
come to
for you
your
to share your email
shop.
ID. So
Begin
whatever
with
the
internal
question that
marketing
we
plan.
receive
The
later,
very
we can
important
share it
thing,
with you, and
employee training.
whatever
Whatever
answer
the
which is
employees,
response
McDonald's
by
own,
whatever responses
they
which is
train
given
them
by
very
you,
well.
that we will
Okay, they
forward to the
make them,
students.
they
So
tell them to eat
that
the
also we
food
can do
freely.
later.
They can eat food,
So
free food
one of the
in
question
McDonald's.
which I have
Any
received
of the
from
employee of
student
McDonald's, they
is
can eat freely,
what is the
food free.
difference between
So
this
means they are
IE2,
taking the
IE3 and
reviews
IE4
from their
models?
employee
Means how
only, that
basically
how food is
they are
there.
categorized.
So offering free food to
See,
the
the
employees,
I1 model
menu
is a
innovation,
conventional
whatever the
model. Then
innovation,
after
child influence, which they
I2
have
models, they are quite
just
efficient.
created the innovation in
I3 are
menu
the
also.
premium
Every
models, and
family is coming,
I4 are
okay,
the super
in
premium
some of the
models.
family, like
So according to
maximum
the
family have
material
children, okay.
inside of the
So
windings
child influence
and
means happy
core,
meal they are providing.
its
Take
efficiency
a
is
small
increased
toy
step
with
by
every
step,
meal, so
gradually
that
increased from
children will be happy.
0.75 to
If children will be happy, parents
0.97.
will be
So
happy.
I4 model
Okay,
presently
so
it is
this
the
is the
efficient
strategy.
model.
They are
It is
providing
a super
happy meal
premium model.
where they are providing a
And
small
a lot
toy
of
to
companies
the
like the
children
automotive
who are
company in
coming
Gujarat
for eating.
and
Influencer
in Baroda, a lot of
means
companies are there. They
decision
are
maker.
making this type of premium models,
Limited
I4
product
models,
line means
super
they are not
premium
offering
models.
like 50 to 100 products, but limited product.
Uh,
If limited product, it will
Another
take
question
less
that we
time to make
got
it,
is in one
okay,
of
and
your
we
slide you
can
have
give
mentioned
more
about
time
that
to
transformer
their
efficiency, right?
effectiveness.
And there you have
Even
talked about this
what have a
measured
signature disc.
kVA and
Okay,
standard kVA.
whenever you
So they
enter
are
the
asking
McDonald's,
that
no, you
It
will
is a
there
see
any
percentage
some
loading of the
signature, or we
transformer.
can
yes.
say the
So is
driven
there
product.
any difference
Okay,
between
where you
this
will find, okay,
measured kVA
McDonald's
and
only
standard
25
kVA?
rupees.
Because generally
Sorry,
we are
burger
talking
is
in
only for
terms
25
of this
rupees. Or
standard
aloo tikki
kVA
is only
only.
for 15
So
rupees.
that's what
So,
the question
which
is.
is the very driver
In these
product, where
equations,
is
on
a
measured
signature product,
KVA
we
is
can
the
say.
actual
People
recorded KVA,
come to the
which is
McDonald's, okay,
in real time
by reading,
actual
okay, 25 rupees
KVA
burger, and
consumed
when
by
you
the
enter,
industry.
you will
And in the
get
denominator standard KVA, that
very
means
good
your
response,
contract demand
okay,
will in
very good
KVA. I
smiling
have
face
shown one
of that
bill whose
particular
contract demand is
person where you are
1,700
ordering.
kVA.
He will
So
say you
that is
sir,
a
okay,
standard
he will
KVA,
giving
which
you
is your contract demand.
respect,
Okay.
okay,
Uh,
and when he will say, okay
Another
sir, you have a
question which I
burger, you
have
have a
received
drink
is that
also, cold
we are
drink also, you
generally
have like that
talking in
also,
terms of this
and so
three-star
you
equipment
gone
and
there
five-star
for eating
equipment.
only
So
single thing, but the bill
how
will
basically they are
become
decided?
more
Because one
what
of
you
the
expected
students
because
have
of
gone a
their
little bit through this
environment.
EEE
So this is
documents,
the business
and he
strategy.
had this question that
Coin
how
the first
basically these
fast
are
food, quick
decided
service.
that
Any food
these
that
are the
needs more
three-star
than
or
5 minutes
five-star
is not in
equipments.
the list. Means what is the strategy of McDonald's? Any
My
food
first
which takes
suggestion is
more than 5
always
minutes
use
will
the
not
5-star
cook,
rated
will not
equipment.
offer to the customer.
When you go from the
Our
first star to
strategy, every
5-star,
food, whatever the
then
customers
your power
order
consumption
will
is
be ready, should
decreased.
be ready
If you
within
have
5
see the
minutes.
star labeling, then
Drive-through car,
you have
what the
observed
strategy?
EER,
You can
energy
take with the
efficiency
car,
ratio.
Yes.
okay,
That
give order from one
energy
side and
efficiency
collect
ratio
order
is
from
more.
second side.
That
This is
in case
how
of a
speed they
5-star,
work.
definitely it will more.
Local
That means
people,
your net
local
consumption
product,
will be
local price,
less.
regional strategies.
Okay.
Now in Gujarat we say most of the peoples are
One
vegetarian,
last
so you
question
can
which I
find
have
that
received is that
non-vegetarian products are very less.
let's say we are having
But
this
if you go
different
to
types of
south or if
tariffs,
you
right?
go to
And
north
I guess
part, there
as a
non-vegetarian people
residential
will be there.
consumer,
So they will
means we
keep
are
more
having this
non-vegetarians.
two-part tariff.
So regional
So what
strategy,
kind
they
of
work
tariff
as a
this
regional strategy.
industrial
Even the employees
board are
will be
actually
local,
which
who
following
knows
to
local
prepare the bill?
language.
Yeah,
Okay,
for
so
sir,
based on that,
first
they are making
see
the strategies.
in our
Invite in with
Gujarat, we
low
are
ticket price and cross
some
sell with high
consumers
ticket
like
price
HT
size.
Industries and
What
LP
I have said
Industries.
that
The
they are
consumers,
offering, they are
one
making a
sector is
poster
the
that the burger
industrial.
will be 25 rupees.
For industrial
Okay, so
consumers, the
people, oh,
contract
happy meal
demand
will be
having more
90
than
rupees.
200
People
kVA,
say, oh, only
they
90
are ST
rupees. But when
consumers.
you
The
enter,
contract demand
they
less
will
than
offer you
200
more and more
kVA, they
product
are LT
also. Sir,
consumers.
buy with this
Second
one,
sector is the
this is
commercial,
free with this
commercial
is
or
free
you
with
can say
this,
domestic
and you
sector.
it will
In
increase
this,
the
the
ticket size.
contract
You
demand
came to
who are
eat
having
90 rupees
75
product, but
kilowatt,
you
more
are
than
going or
75
you are
kilowatt, they are
exiting the
HT
by
consumers, and
paying
less than 75
150
kilowatt, they
or
are LT
200 rupees.
consumers.
This is how the
Okay.
business strategy is.
Now, this
So
tariffs,
this is
it
the
is
things.
applicable for the HT
what
consumers.
these companies
Let us say in
follow.
industry, ST
So
industries.
I discussed you about many things
If you
from
observe,
how to models
if
are
you
there,
read
how
their
models are there,
bill,
how
then I have
to
shown
create
one
entry
bill
barriers, what are the
where
case studies,
STP1
okay, what is
tariff rate
digital
is
marketing, what is
indicated.
guerrilla marketing,
So
and one
STP1
more
tariff it
thing
is
about
for
the
ST
negative to
consumers,
positive
and
publicity. Sometimes happen in
in this they
business.
have
Okay,
to
if you
pay
are a
the
big
charges
businessman
for
also, now
night
still
hours. They have to
there
pay
are
the
many a
charges for
times
day
that
hours.
you have to
They have
face
to
some
pay the
challenges
charges
like
for
dairy milk.
peak hours.
What
And
happened to dairy
night
milk?
hours, peak
Few
hours,
years
and
back,
day hours
worms and fungus
time
were
duration
found
are
in
fixed.
Cadbury chocolates. People started
Uh,
criticizing the Cadbury. They
the last
started, no, we
question
don't eat
we
Cadbury
have
now.
for
We
this set
will
is
boycott that.
a little
But
funny question, but
researchers from the
they are
Cadbury
asking
came
that
to India. They found and
how
came to know
basically we
that it
can
was a
reduce the
problem in the
energy bill. Let's say
supply
we are
chain
not
and
having
not in the
this
manufacturing.
solar
They now
rooftop,
how to
or
build
we
up the
even don't
trust.
want to use it.
So they
So what are
made
the suggestions
Amitabh
that
Bachchan as the brand
we should
ambassador.
uh,
Okay, shown
should
that how
follow,
now they are
what they are
improved
asking?
their quality.
See,
Okay, build
for
up the trust,
residential
and
load,
now
if you want
look,
to
people are what people
get
is
the
saying
saving, then
means
you can immediately replace
now
your
you can see
older
any
equipments
festival in
by
India,
efficient
they are
equipment. That
offering
is my
Cadbury.
first
Means
suggestion.
Cadbury is now
Because
like a
residential load,
brand
most
for
of the
this,
load are the
or
lighting load,
this is
so you
the
can immediately
trademark
replace
for
by the
a sweet
LEDs
or
and refrigerators.
for this festivals.
According to your financial
So
condition,
that was
ACs,
tagline is मीठा
refrigerators
कुछ
like
मीठा हो जाए. So this
five
type
rated,
of things means
five
like
star
you
rated
can even
units.
bring
Uh,
your negative
uh,
publicity to positive
if you
way.
go for the
If you have a
commercial
negative
sector,
in your
domestic
business,
sector, so in
sometimes you will
domestic
loss in
sector,
business.
most of the
Don't
application, major
just
application
give
is the
up.
cooling
You
application.
have to build
So
up
where
yourself and
chilled air
just
is
improve
required.
something.
So in
So this
chilled
is
air, you
the
can
examples
do lot
how
of
Cadbury from
automations.
negative to
I give you
positive
an
they came.
example. Suppose
Even Maggie, you know
presently
the whole
inverter
incident
based
because it's
split
not
ACs are
so much
available.
old.
Then
Like few years
after
back only when people
VFD
just
based
thrown out the
ACs are
Maggie
also
and it
available.
came again
Okay,
Yes.
so
with the
according to the
positive
temperature,
way
you
and
can
now
do the
again people started
automation
eating Maggie.
in during the running
Okay.
operation of the
Last but
AC.
not the least, I have
Because
to just
any
discuss
one
with you
degree
about
change in
only
the
one thing
temperature in
about
case of
Ratan
a
Tata.
cooling
Positive
application, if
revenge.
you increase the
Definitely
one
in
degree
business,
centigrade
there is a
temperature,
time you have to take the
then you
revenge
are
also. But
reducing your
okay,
unit
how
consumption
to
by 4
respond
units.
to
And
insults? If
if you
somebody
reduce
insults
the
you,
temperature
don't
by
be
1 degree
angry.
centigrade,
Don't
then you
lose
are increasing
your
the unit consumption by 4
uh,
units. So major impact
or
is there in
consciousness. Don't
chilled air in
means
case of
don't behave
AC
like an
for domestic
means
sector. Other sector is the
don't behave
industrial. For industrial, you
unnecessarily.
have to
Okay,
work
just
out in this
response
electrical, air
in
circuit,
right
and
time
fuel
in
circuit,
right way.
and water circuits. In
So
all
it
the
was a time when
utilities,
Ratan Tata
as
was
per the discussion, you
facing
have to
a loss in
assess,
this
and then after
automobile
you
industry.
have
So
to find
he
out
gone
some
to Bill
solution.
Ford and asked him to help him and
Sir,
just
one
take
of
over his
the
business of automobile. So what Bill
panelists have
Ford
asked the
said
question
him,
that what is
why are
the
you
impact
doing
of
if you don't know?
electrical
Ratan
vehicle
Tata said
charging
nothing to
station
him.
on
He
energy
returned,
consumption?
worked hard,
See, God,
designed strategies,
I have
and
attended one
later, few
meeting at
years back,
JEDA
when
with
Bill Ford
auditors
faced
meeting. That point
loss,
was
he came
discussed,
to Ratan
and
Tata, and
government is
Ratan Tata
JEDA is promoting since
bought the
last 5
Ford in
years. JEDA is
9,300 crores,
promoting two
even
wheelers, and
Jaguar and
they
Land
are
Rover
also giving the
also,
subsidies
and
for the
become the
on the two
businessman,
wheelers
I
for
mean, a
the
big
school and
business
college students.
in automobile
And
industries. So this is way
and
how
second
to
is
respond
also
to
the
the insults in
tenders for the
positive
charging
way. This
station
was a
through
great
these Tata
example.
and
And you
Panasonic
have a few
companies. They
more
are
like Amitabh
already
Bachchan removed from
dispatched, and a
uh,
lot of people
All
have
India Radio for his voice. Now
filled
he
these
has,
tenders.
like, I
So
think
in
he
short
is the
time, you
only
will
person,
find
or he's
out
like who is
charging
earning
stations
more
in the
through his
different
voice right now.
locations. So
Gandhiji removed by
because
the
of the fuel
Britishers from the
consumption,
train.
petrol,
He removed
diesel,
the Britishers from the
and
India.
prices, and
Removed from
because
a
of this
job for
crisis, because
not
most of
fulfilling a target.
this
This is the
products
this
that we are
author. You know all about
taking from
that,
other countries,
and you know
even in coal.
now he is the great author of this
So
era. So this
because of
way
this
you can
crisis,
create your
because of its
businesses.
impact on the
Okay, these are
atmosphere,
the strategies.
government
This
is trying
which I
to
have
convert
discussed. I
all
have
these
discussed the case
transportation
studies. I
sector
have
into
discussing
the
the positive ways
electrical.
of the
So
business.
if you have
Okay,
observed,
but the thing
Delhi,
is
Bangalore, lot of
that
people, they have
you should be
started
you should have to create a
women
proper
for vehicles on
strategy, proper
the
way,
road.
proper
Uh,
discussion, proper
so
planning
uh,
to work with the
government is
business.
forcing
So
by
friends,
providing the
all to
subsidies or by some
for
other
today's
ways,
session, this is
by any way
from my
convert your
side.
vehicles into
If you have
electrical.
any
So that's
doubt,
why
if you
charging
have
station
any queries,
definitely in
you
1 to
can
2 years
discuss with me
you will
right
see
now
on the
also.
road,
Even I have shared my
because
number with
already
you in the
tenders are
starting of the
filled, and
slide. Even
lot
I'll be
of
sharing you
vehicles
one
have
feedback form
participated.
where we'll be
So
Yes,
it is better
sending
for
you this
future
PPT
to
also,
use the. But
as
one
well as
issue is there, battery
many
issue
new events which we are
might
organizing or
not
workshop
be
we are
there.
organizing on
Uh,
this
10 kilowatt
entrepreneurship
batteries are
development with
available.
you, so that you
Its
will be a
life
part of
is
that. So if
less,
anybody have any
so
question or any
it
doubt, please
becomes
ask me about the
expensive.
entrepreneurship
But
or
if
anything
production of the
if you're
battery will
planning for
increase, then
this.
definitely its
Yes.
price cost will
Thank
reduce.
you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, uh, for sharing your valuable knowledge.
thank you
And I
so much.
hope all the participants have
If
enjoyed this session.
if it
Amazing
is
session, I
possible for
must
you to
say,
share your
and
email
which is
ID, you can
definitely going to
share
help our audience.
so that
Sir,
if
some of
someone
the
is
questions I
having
have got
question
from our
later on, they
students, questions,
can
and
forward their
I would like
question
to
to us.
ask some questions, sir.
We will
Sir, can
forward
I
Yeah,
ask?
those questions to
yeah,
you,
ma'am.
Okay.
and uh,
Sir, one
later on when you
question is
will
like,
give us
what
a
are the
reply of
most
those
efficient
questions or
or
query,
topmost
we
efficient
will
and
forward
useful
that to
digital
the same
marketing
person
tools?
later.
Ma'am,
By that way also
look,
we can do
digital
that.
marketing
So
tools
this
is
much of
like that.
question
You,
we have
it's some
received till
if
now.
you have to work for this, the very
So
important is the Google
thank you so much
Analytics.
for
It's an online
solving these
platform.
queries.
If you go to like, there are many things
Just a
available
second, sir.
tools which I'll
Ritu
be
madam is
sharing
joining
with
again.
Dev also, but you can go direct to Google Analytics. Okay, it's an online platform where you can research on any website, their rankings, okay, okay, and how means you can improve that. Means you can first you have to do Google Analytics. Means okay, I
Sorry,
think
sir.
some
Because of
internet issue.
network issue,
Wait a moment.
she got disconnected. So I'll just
So Google
end up
Analytics
this
say you
session.
it will research
So
about
thank
any
you
of the
very much,
website before
Yogesh sir.
doing to digital marketing. No,
This
you have to
workshop was
research about the
really informative,
particular website which
and
you
I'm
have to
sure
market.
that
Okay, so you
students
have to
are
set up
also
your account here
benefited
for
by
free.
this
Okay, and here
workshop.
it will say you about
Okay.
ranking of your
We
website.
have
Okay,
actually
your keywords, your
discussed
meta
few
tags, every, and then
industrial
only you can go to
issues
next
or whatever
tab.
the
It's
topics
not
that
like
we
that
have
in single
discussed.
tools we can
Okay.
just go and just
The
rank to the
industrial
website.
studies that we
So
have
first you have to
discussed,
go with the Google
and
Analytics,
the
and then we have to go with the tools.
instrumentations which are used for the audits. So on behalf of
Okay,
Pali
thank you so much,
University,
sir, for your
we
answer.
and
Sir,
I
second
are
question is
very much thankful to you for
as you
sharing
said,
your
like we can
knowledge
use the
and
social media for the
helping
digital
us
marketing.
in making
So we
Hmm.
have
this
lots of social
webinar
media
or the
platforms like
workshop, sorry,
Facebook, Twitter,
successful.
LinkedIn, and
So
Instagram
thank you
as
so
well.
much to you.
So which social channel should I use for the best targeted audience? Which
Yeah,
one is
ma'am.
the best
Thank you,
one?
ma'am.
Yeah, actually, ma'am, if we are to,
Thank you very
for
much.
example, you have to
Thank you.
target to
So
the
we are
local
ending the
market, or
session
we
now.
target to the India level, or in world also, Facebook and Instagram now linked with each other. If I am marketing on Instagram, definitely automatically it will market in Facebook also.
Yes,
If I'm
sir.
marketing
We
on
have
Facebook, it will
already
automatically market to Instagram. So these
Session was
both
very
are
informative.
providing you targeted
Very
audiences,
informative.
and even it's a cheaper compared to
Actually, we
other
are already
platforms.
doing
So if
this type
I'm
of
saying if you have to
activities
market
since
for
last
international
5 years.
market, professional international
Anyway,
market, you have to
if
use LinkedIn,
you want
because
to resolve
LinkedIn it's a
with us,
professional
so
network. And
we
if
will be
you have any service based
welcome to
industry,
all of you.
okay,
We
definitely
can
you
So
go with the
follow me
future,
LinkedIn,
if it is
okay, to
possible for us to call you
influence the international
in
customers.
offline mode,
People are
will
now
you say
dealing on LinkedIn
it will
only
be a
to
very
just
good thing for
deal with
us,
international customers. But if you
so
have a
we can even
manufacturing business,
have
okay,
a face-to-face
okay,
interaction
so
with the
you
students
just have
also.
to go with India Mart,
Sure,
okay,
sir.
because in
Thank you so
manufacturing
much.
business you can
Okay,
sell
sir.
in
So
bulk
I'm
items
leaving
in
the
India
session.
Mart.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
And if
Yes.
you have both like service and manufacturing, you can go with Facebook and Instagram, because the marketing is very cheaper compared to other platforms, but the result is very tremendous. The result is very good. So every platform has its individual way, but where to use in right way, the things are different.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Sir, one question is there, like when we are going and we are creating and publishing our content.
Hmm.
So, which some common social media marketing mistakes can be done, and while just publishing and creating the content, or what things we need to take care of while doing
Yeah.
this?
Actually, when before marketing, the very first or very important thing you have to think about your product. It's for which part of the society. It's for elders. It's for childs, or it's for particular. It will flourish in which region. So before marketing, whatever people whenever they are creating anything, or they're posting or doing paid promotions, they are not researching about the things that it will be helpful in particular which region. So you have to research about my product will be for particular for all the community of the society, or particular community of the society. If it's on particular community, I have to select the age group. I have to market to particular regions only, particular locations only, or particular community also. So we have to check these things only. Then only you have to promote your this post, or promote your website. So the very much most important thing is that you have to always see your target audience, target customers, where you have to market. So when you are researching about the target audience and target customer, based on that only you have to market your product or service.
True, sir. True. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
And
ma'am.
last but not the least, which is not the question, but I would like to ask you, sir,
Mhm.
like the piece of advice would you give to the college graduates who want to become the entrepreneurs, sir? Please, the advice.
Actually, ma'am, yeah, for talking about the Parul, no, they have already started the good initiative. Okay, and even I am the alumni of the Parul only. I have done
Yes,
my
yes.
BTech in Parul only. So they have taken a very good initiative. Even they are calling this good entrepreneurs on regular basis. So I think Parul is doing the great for this, but even I think if we just go with some competitions on entrepreneurship development, okay, with the students like BBA Bajigar, which was done by MBA, like MS University. Such kind of things will be always be there with the competition for students. They have to given some amount for some time, and they will ask to flourish their ideas, they showcase their ideas, showcase their innovations. Okay, and some competition like these things will be there definitely. Even they have to uh, like take this real advantages. They have to go to the field for that. If college is creating such kind of competitions that students can go to field, they can work with some entrepreneurs, okay, discuss with, have their queries with some entrepreneurs. So definitely more innovators, more entrepreneurs will come from the college. If because government is providing much, college is providing much, but now we have to show us proper path to them, okay, how they can just start their business. Because always every a student has something new in their mind, but they are hesitating to discuss it with their faculties or discuss with their mentors about that. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. So thank you so much once again, sir, for answering all those questions and for the great session. It was a pleasure to have you with
Thank
us.
you, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much, sir.
much.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.